to the sea.
Ooh, the sea.
Okay, sailors, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's sing a song. It's called A Sailor went to sea.
To the sea.
Okay, so I'll sing, you repeat, okay? A sailor went to sea,
to sea,
to see what he could see, but all that he could see
all that he could see
was the bottom of the sea.
the bottom of the sea.
Okay, you got it?
Yes.
Now we're going to do it with clapping.
Okay.
Okay, so Ellie, we're going to clap.
Okay.
I'm going to teach Andrea how to clap. And you're going to do the gestures, okay? You're the sailor, went to sea.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Now, we're going to do it like this. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see, but all that he could see was the bottom of the sea. Okay, great. Now it's going to be even. Did you get it, Ellie?
Yes.
Okay. So now you're going to replace me.
Okay.
You're going to do it slow once, and then you do it faster, and I'll have to do the gestures even faster. Okay? Okay, go. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Okay, you can start off slow. Ready? A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see, but all that he could see was the bottom of the sea. Okay, now try it faster from the beginning. Okay? We're gonna sing fast. Okay?
Yes.
Ready? Okay. A sailor went to sea, to see what he could see, but all that he could see was the bottom of the sea.